One apple, one apple. I'm a little bunny and look what I've done. I'm holding a balloon that's marked with one. It floats so high and then so do I. Up, up, away, I'm flying through the sky. Number two, two apples, apples. I'm a tiny kitten, soft and brand new. I'm holding a balloon that shows the number 2. It tugs me up with a magical breeze. Now I'm floating above the trees. Number 3, 3 apples, apples. I'm a playful puppy and I've just begun to hold my special balloon marked with 3 with fun. It pulls me gently and up I fly, waving to birds as they pass by. Number 4, 4 apples, apples. I'm a baby panda rolling on the floor with my balloon that's clearly numbered 4. But oh, it's lifting me off the ground. I'm flying up, just look around. Number 5, 5 apples, apples. I'm a prickly hedgehog, I'm happy to strive. I'm holding my balloon with the number 5. It floats me up to a magical view. Oh, what a journey I'm flying to. Number 6, 6 apples, apples. I'm a little duckling waddling in the mix. I carry my balloon that's printed with 6. It pulls me gently and now I'm high, floating so freely into the sky. 7 apples. I'm a bouncing fawn and I'm feeling so keen. My balloon has the number 7, it gleams. It lifts me up with a gentle surprise. Now I'm soaring above the skies. Number 8, 8 apples, 8 apples. I'm a sleepy koala, cuddly and great. I'm holding a balloon with the number 8. It takes me higher than I've ever been. Now I'm drifting above the sea. Number 9, 9, 9 apples, 8, 8. I'm a little chinchilla, soft and so fine. I'm holding my balloon with the number 9. It lifts me up and I start to cheer. The world below seems far but near. Number 10, 10 apples, 8 apples. I'm a tiny hamster, scurrying again with my special balloon showing number 10. It floats me up and now I can see a magical world surrounding me. Number 11, 11 apples, 8 apples. I'm an eager otter, full of delight. I hold my balloon with 11 in sight. It pulls me gently and off I glide above the water where waves collide. Number 12, 12 apples, 8 apples. I'm a waddling penguin chick on the shore. My balloon has the number 12 I adore. It lifts me up, what a surprise. I'm floating through the snowy skies. Number 13, 13. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a little piglet, as pink as can be, with my balloon showing 13 for me. It floats me up, and oh, what a treat. Flying so high is really neat. Number 14, 14. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a playful lamb with fluff so clean. I'm holding my balloon marked 14. It pulls me gently, and up I go. Flying so high is really knees that flow. No exploring the scene. My balloon proudly shows the number 15. It carries me up where dreams take flight, above the meadows, oh what a sight. Number 16, 15, oh, 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 oh. I'm a sealed pup splashing on the shore. My balloon says 16 and I want to explore, but now it's floating and so am I, off to the clouds, way up high. Number 17, 17, oh, 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 oh. I'm a gentle alpaca, soft and serene, with a balloon that displays the number 17. It pulls me lightly, and now I'm away, flying so high, way up high in the day. Number 18, apples, oh, 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 oh. I'm a happy squirrel, nimble and lean. My balloon is marked with the number 18. It lifts me up to the tallest tree. Oh, what a thrill, just look at me. Number 19. 19 apples, break. I'm a curious meerkat, standing so keen, with a balloon that shows the number 19. It takes me up where the clouds reside. I'm floating away on this magical ride. Number 20. 20 apples, break. I'm a tiny turtle hatchling, ready to dream. My balloon has the number 20, it gleams. It pulls me upward and now I see a magical world surrounding me. Fly high up to the sky, with a big smile we're waving goodbye. Count the balloons, 1 to 20. Up we go, it's fun aplenty. Fly high up to the sky, with a big smile we're waving goodbye. Count the balloons, 1 to 20.